What happens if your garage door ends up looking like this right here? Yeah, a Greensboro couple had bought 2 garage doors and one of them just would not work. I'm Tanya Rivera with WFMY News 2. What happens when you get into a consumer issue like that? You're going back and forth with the company and nothing is getting done. Well, call for action. It is our team of volunteers that works underneath the WFMY News 2 umbrella to help consumers resolve their cases. In this particular case, we were able to get a full refund for this Greensboro couple, $8,400, and they were able to buy new garage doors. Let us help you with your consumer case. You can fill out the 2 Wants to Know Call for Action complaint form. It's in the 2 Wants to Know section of our website. Make sure you've got evidence. We're going to need warranties, receipts, estimates, texts, or emails to prove your case.